안녕? Why Korean convenience store is so special? There are hundreds of items in one convenience store. Even as I'm Korean, I need a few minutes for choosing what I eat. Today, I will tell you my favorite recipe in convenience store food. Then let's get started. In Korean convenience store, you will find almost everything you need. Snacks, drinks, everyday essential, and even a microwave and hot water station. So you can enjoy your food right there. They even have tables for you to sit and eat comfortably. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming for a foreigner to know what to try. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the most popular food and drink combination that Koreans love. I ended up buying a lot, filling up my shopping basket, and even had to go back for more while filming. I ate so much this day, I thought I might burst. First up, I was thirsty from all the shopping, so I mixed coffee with banana flavor milk. You take a pre-packaged coffee, mixed it with banana milk in a cup of ice, and enjoy. Interestingly, this recipe is more famous among my foreigner friends than in Korea. I had only seen my friends abroad making this, and I tried it for the first time that day. It was so delicious. The slight bitterness of the coffee perfectly balanced with the sweet banana flavor, creating a drink that was just right. I even recommended it to my Korean friends the next day, and they all loved it too. Next, let me show you a combination that's currently a hit in Korea, 불닭볶음면 with egg and potato salad. First, cook the 불닭볶음면 with hot water, drain it and mix it the liquid sauce, then top it with egg and potato salad. Sprinkle the 불닭볶음면 seasoning on top and microwave it for 2 minutes. Once it's done, stir everything together until it's evenly mixed. It's absolutely delicious, like a creamy, spicy pasta. I'm not great with spicy food, but the potato salad helped to mellow out the heat and make it easy to enjoy. While eating, sipping on the banana coffee drink really helped refresh your palate. It's such a good combination. Now, for one of the most famous recipes in Korea, the mock meal. This recipe became popular because it was created by K-pop idol Mark. It's a combination of tteokbokki, spaghetti, sausage, and cheese, one of my personal favorites. First, prepare the tteokbokki by adding the rice cakes, sauce, and hot water, then microwaving it. Cook the spaghetti as well and mix it into the tteokbokki. Since the tteokbokki bowl is wider, it's easy to mix the spaghetti in there. Next, chop up a sausage, microwave it for a minute, and add it on top of the mix. Finally, sprinkle some cheese on top and microwave it for another 2 minutes. The result is an amazing dish where the spiciness of the tteokbokki, the sweetness of the spaghetti, and the richness of the cheese come together perfectly. It's a hearty meal that's satisfying any time of day. I mix the cheese in this time, but it's just as good without mixing it. Just go with your preference. While the tteokbokki and noodles are great, the sausage soaked in the sauce was the highlight for me. After finishing the mark meal and the banana coffee drink, I decided to make a second drink combination. This time, I mixed blue lemonade with a soda called Milkis. Milkis was one of my favorite drinks growing up. It's a carbonated beverage with a yogurt flavor. Mixing these two creates a beautiful, refreshing drink that's perfect for cooling down. Lastly, I will introduce you to a dish that's popular among Korean soldiers. When the food in the military wasn't great, soldiers would often turn to convenience store for something better. If you like jjajangmyeon, the black bean noodles, you will love this combination. It's a mix of 공화춘 짜장면 and 간짬뽕, a spicy seafood noodle. First, prepare the jjajangmyeon by adding hot water and some sliced sausage. While waiting, do the same with the 간짬뽕. After 3 minutes, drain the water from the gonghwachun, ganjjampong, and mix in the sauce. Make sure not to mix the water and sauce together. Once the noodles are done, combine them and you've got a delicious dish. Eating this always brings back memory of my time in the military, which isn't exactly a fond memory since military service is mandatory in Korea. But the combination of gonghwachun and ganjjampong is really tasty. The sausage adds some much needed protein, making it a satisfying meal. Just a warning, though, when you are enjoying these dishes, be careful not to spill the sauce on your clothes. It's easy to get lost in the deliciousness and make a mess. I really full. How was this video? Today, I really enjoyed all kind of convenient food in convenience store, include beverage with my friend, and I want to see you guys next video. I'm Patrick Korea and I hope you have great memory in Korea. See you in the next video. 안녕.